how much is this going to cost to fix? That's a question we get asked all the time. And you know what? As of 2 years ago, we started doing something that totally revolutionized the way our business worked and the way we could scale. We started charging for formal estimates. A bathroom like that is 1,000 decisions: tiles, subcontractors, who we're going to use, what kind of plumbing permit this falls under. All these things take time. And by us charging for an estimate, we're able to protect our time. But more importantly, we're able to give the clients a really accurate representation and breakdown of what the costs are going to be. An estimate for that bathroom might be 12 hours of our time. We can't afford to do that to anyone who calls our phone. Us charging an estimate, it's a way of it's the first way of screening our clients and making sure that we consider ourselves serious people, and we want our clients to be serious people as well. Then putting a little bit of capital investment to say, hey, we want you to take the time to bid this project. We're serious about moving forward. Protects us, protects them, and gives them enough time and confidence that, we're here doing actual work. We're not guessing. When we tell you it's going to be a $13,000 remodel of that bathroom, probably going to be more. But when we tell you it's going to be a $13,000 remodel, we didn't pull that figure out of the air. We can show you breakdowns. How much of that goes to plumbing? How much of that goes to electrical? What kind of light fixtures they can afford to put in their project? It's a really complicated thing, and we really want to make sure that, both parties are aligned in their interests. We were terrified when we started doing this. I thought no clients were going to work with us. No one would pay a bunch of strangers a fee. We found the exact opposite. We have a 70% conversion rate for projects that we bid out and charge an estimate fee. We were doing maybe 200 estimates the year before and closing on 25 to 30% of them. That is so much wasted time. That is so much wasted effort. Let us know. Is charging an estimate fee something you would do? What are your thoughts? Would you pay a contractor to do this? Drop us a comment. Thanks for following, and like and subscribe. Yeah. Scale our business and kind of grow into I don't know, let me take two. I'm exhausted. How the did Matthew McConaughey do this?